Alright guys, it's Wednesday, we're halfway through the week. Today we're going to be working on subtracting mixed numbers. First of all, I was very impressed by how everybody did yesterday on the adding fractions, and we're actually moving through this quicker than I thought. So let's keep up the good work and see how we do today, and I'm excited to see how you guys did on your online quick check. So the first thing we need to do is make sure our table of contents is updated. I've already done that, and I'm just showing it for this week again so I can remodel to you guys. Today's date, the topic, and then the page number that it's on in our notebooks, okay? First thing I need to do, I know we got a couple new students and we've been off for a couple weeks. We need to write our lesson number, which is 10-4, and then we need to write the topic, which is subtracting mixed numbers. And my essential question for today is, how can you subtract mixed numbers? And basically, we're going to subtract mixed numbers very similar to the way we subtract it in proper fractions. We got to make sure they have a common denominator. The only thing we're going to talk about today is what happens if we have to rename a mixed number. So, my first example my first example is I'm going to use the example from the book. And it says a golf ball measures about 1 2/3 inches across the center. What is the difference between the distance across the center of the golf hole and the golf ball? And I know that whenever I see difference, it means subtract. So if I look in the picture, I see that across the golf hole is 4 1/4 inches. So I know that the difference means subtract. So I know that I need to subtract 4 1/4 inches by the size of the golf ball, which is 1 2/3. And the first thing I have to do is make sure that they have a common denominator. You're fine, Jonathan. So in order to make sure they have a common denominator, I need to list by multiples. So 4, 8, 12, 16. Let's go to 20. Then we'll go down here, I'm going to do 3, 6, 9, 12. So I see that they both have 12, so that will be my common multiple. So it's going to be something over 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Times 4. Get him. Times 3 equals 12. 1 times 3 equals 3. So now, once we have our equivalent fraction set up, 1/4 is equivalent to 3/12. 1 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. We need to determine. If we look at this, I realize that I really can't take away 8 from 3. So what I need to do is I need to rename this mixed number. And right now I have 4 3/12. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take away 1 from 4 and that's going to give me 3. But when I took that away, I took a whole. So a whole is 12 twelfths. So I need to add 12 here, plus 12. So that's going to give me 15 twelfths. And then I'm going to rewrite this over here just so it's lined up, which is 8 twelfths. So 15 minus 8 is 7 over 12. And then I need to go back over here and do 3 minus 1 is 2. And then my final answer is 2 and 7 twelfths. Guys, it's really important that we spread our work out and we take our time on this. And I understand that this one problem took up a lot of space, but if we don't give ourselves room to work, we're going to make careless mistakes. Okay? So what I want you guys to do on your own is I want you guys to do guided practice. And let's have you guys do 1 through 6. And that's going to be page 238. One through 6. And then I'm going to have you guys, once you're finished with that, make sure Miss Russell or I check it. And then I'm going to have you guys do independent practice. And I'm going to, let's have you guys do 15 through 21, page 239, 15 through 21. And I know today's a half day, so I'm going to keep the video short. And hopefully you guys can get this done so you don't have any homework. But have a great day. Thank you for tuning in.